Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how we can lock the apps in the iPhone, how we can get the default app lock in the iPhone. So the process is very simple and you can do it in any iPhone which can be updated on the iOS 18. So let's start without any problem. Let's proceed. First of all, what you have to do, just simply let's assume I would like to set app lock on the iPhone, let's assume I would like to set app lock on the Photos app. Let's assume, right? So in order to set app lock, let me show you what you have to do. Just simply, first of all, long press on the app icon. There you go, and then you can see require passcode option is showing here. In my case, in this iPhone, my Face ID is not working. So let me show you in any other phone. Might this phone have charge on it? I don't think so. It's low. Okay, anyhow, so let's assume your Face ID is working. Let me show you on this phone. So let's assume your Face ID is working, and in my iPhone 11 my Face ID is not working, so that's why it's showing to require passcode. So I would like to lock my Photos app. So what I can do, just simply click on require Face ID option here. You guys can see here require Face ID. I'll just click on this one and click on require Face ID, and there we go. My app will be locked. You guys can see here apps with photos access. So whenever you are going to access the Photos app within these apps, you have to verify your Face ID first. So it's pretty good thing that Apple Apple leaves no bug behind to fix this issue. So you guys can see here, whenever I just need to open the Photos app, it will ask for the Face ID or my passcode. So whenever I'll just provide the Face ID, I'll verify my Face ID and my Photos app will be unlocked. So that's a really simple fix. Hope you guys find this method helpful. Thanks for watching. In this way you can lock your Photos apps. Oh, if you want to unlock your Photos app, what you have to do is simply long press on the app icon and you'll see don't require Face ID. Click on this one and again your phone will verify your Face ID and you will be good to go again. So this was the simple fix. I hope you find this method helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.